Choosing the right marketplace for your freelance niche is crucial to growing your freelance business. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? In this quick 3-minute guide, I'm going to break down the key factors you need to consider when choosing the best marketplace for your niche, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make the right choice for your freelance career. First, let's talk about understanding your niche. If you're in a very specialized field like graphic design or copywriting, you're going to want to find a platform that's specifically tailored to your industry. For example, platforms like 99 Designs or Behance cater to creatives, while Upwork and Fiverr are more generalized. It's important to know where your target clients are likely to search for your services. Next, think about competition. Some marketplaces are packed with freelancers, which means more competition for you. On the flip side, marketplaces with fewer freelancers might give you more visibility, but could also have fewer clients. Balancing the two is key. If you're just starting out, you might want to try platforms with lower competition, where you can stand out and build your portfolio. Now, let's consider fees. Different marketplaces charge different fees, whether it's a flat rate or a percentage of your earnings. Some platforms like Fiverr take a commission, but they also offer you a lot of flexibility in pricing. Others, like TopTal, charge higher fees, but focus on connecting top-tier freelancers with clients. Understand the fee structure on each platform and how it fits into your overall pricing strategy. When choosing a marketplace for your freelance niche, reputation is important too. Some platforms have built-in reviews and ratings, which can help you stand out if you're consistent with delivering quality work. For instance, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer have review systems that are essential in building credibility. Look for a marketplace that allows you to showcase your work and get feedback from clients to boost your profile. Another thing to consider is the type of clients each marketplace attracts. Some platforms focus more on small businesses, while others target enterprise-level clients. Understanding the type of clients you want to work with will help you narrow down the best marketplace for your services. If you're targeting high-end clients, platforms like TopTal may be more suitable than Fiverr. You also want to think about payment protection. Different platforms offer varying levels of security when it comes to getting paid. Some platforms like Upwork offer escrow services, ensuring that you get paid once the job is completed. Others might be less reliable, so always read the terms before committing. To quickly recap, first, know your niche and where your ideal clients hang out. Second, balance competition and visibility. Third, be aware of fees and how they impact your income. Fourth, reputation matters. Choose a platform that lets you build credibility. And finally, think about the type of clients you want to work with and payment protection. The key takeaway from this video is that choosing the right marketplace for your freelance niche requires understanding your field, knowing your competition, and selecting a platform that aligns with your goals and business style. Take the time to research and pick the best fit for you. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software we've been using in this tutorial, I've got an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. Just check the link in the description below. Don't miss out on that opportunity. Thanks for watching, and good luck picking the right marketplace for your freelance niche.